Welcome back to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be reporting on a brand new change which has come to CashApp and that you can start using today. As you can see on screen, we're on the official CashApp website and it reads, everyone 13 plus can make their debit card pop. Everyone 13 plus can send and get money. Everyone 13 plus can manage money securely. Now, on this YouTube channel, I've shown you how to create your CashApp account. And it also reads, everyone 13 plus can swipe and save. Now, CashApp allows you to create debit cards. This is not rolled out to every territory that CashApp is currently operating in. But for those US users, you will be able to use this feature and create your CashApp card. Let's see what this new feature and what this means for CashApp. The website also reads, now available to everyone 13 plus. And then there is a QR barcode which is showing you that you can scan that QR barcode to go directly to the CashApp download. Let's move on in this website to show you what value this will give to you, the user, as CashApp is a peer-to-peer service and allows you to send money from your peers and receive money from your peers. And this debit card does offer a lot more. Let's scroll down. Do more with CashApp 13 plus. This means that if you're 13 years old or above, you can now open your CashApp account and also have that permission from your parents to create a CashApp card. Moving down, design your own card. Draw on it, stamp it, even glow in the dark. Make your debit card unmistakably yours. Now, this is a physical debit card that you will get in your hand, able to use anywhere. It's a debit card. Moving down, it says save on demand. With Boost, take instant discounts off every swipe of your everyday spending. Thanks Boost. So there's also another feature that you can add to your cards within CashApp. Of course, inside of the application you will be able to see your debit card. Moving down, move money instantly. Pay and get paid. Free and fast, or fast and free rather. Send money to friends and family, or request it to settle up easily. Start banking. Use your card instantly with Apple or Google Pay. Unlock ATM access and track your activity all with one app. Download CashApp to create your free account, and I've shown you how to do this without needing to add a debit card or a bank account. When prompted, send a request to your parent or guardian for approval. Once they approve, get your cash card. Moving down, this reads, scan to download the app and get your free cash card. Now, why this is brilliant is because you will now be able to create a debit card that you can use directly from your CashApp account if you are 13 years old and above. And you will also have that parent approval when you are creating your debit card. So you can send and receive payments for whatever reason, whether you are selling something to a person, whether you are setting up a bill, or maybe you're doing it for business. You will be able to receive your money into your CashApp account from your peer, and it's very easy to request money. I can also teach you how to request money within CashApp. CashApp also occasionally do some giveaways, and you can find those giveaways on the official CashApp Twitter account. CashApp do like to do giveaways quite frequently, and there has been one recently on Twitter, so that's also good to check out as well. Also, some of those things I will be reporting on here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. So changes that come to CashApp I will be reporting on right here, and you will be able to find out those changes by looking into the online money playlist which I've created for you that teaches you and shows you and educates you about apps like CashApp, PayPal and more. So don't forget to check out the online money playlist for more videos like this. If you've enjoyed this video, I'm just quickly reporting on this change that has come to CashApp, what it means, and quickly giving you that information so that you understand what this is. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, and there will be a lot more coming to you. With that said, thank you for watching this video right here on the Anthony Allen YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.